Good morning, Marshall. Today is Friday. We made it through another week of online learning. Today is Friday, May 1st, 2020. Today we are going to be doing lesson 28. Okay? So, for lesson 28, we're going to start off with reviewing our newest sentence that we learned. I am going to show you the sentence on my screen. If you want to look at it also, you can turn to page 338 of your textbook. You don't have to do this. And if you want to, you can click pause and go look for the sentence. Other than that, you can look at it on my screen. Okay, so here is the sentence. We're going to go over sentence 5. Okay? We're going to go back one. Sentence 5 reads, hunters were stationed at opposite ends of the field. Everybody say that sentence. Get ready. Right. I'll say part of the sentence. When I stop, you say the next word. Listen. Hunters were stationed at. Get ready. Yes. Opposite. Good. Listen. Hunters were stationed at opposite ends of the, get ready, yes, field. Now say the whole sentence, get ready. Yes, hunters were stationed at opposite ends of the field. Okay, now I'm going to turn back to lesson 28. Okay, so everybody should be on page 167. If you need more time to get there, go ahead and click pause and take your time. When you're ready, you can go ahead and resume your lesson. Okay, boys and girls, lesson 28. Let me try to zoom it in a little bit more. Okay. So, for lesson 28, everybody touch column 1. Very important you're tracking and that you're answering loud and proud, okay? All right, word 1 is probably. What word? Yes, probably. Spell probably. Get ready. Word 2 is tough. What word? Yes, tough. Spell tough. Get ready. Word 3 is sweater. What word? Yes, sweater. Spell sweater. Get ready. Word 4 is learn. What word? Yes, learn. Spell learn. Get ready. Word 5 is umbrella. What word? Yes, umbrella. Let's read those words again, the fast way. Number 1, what word? Yes, probably. 2, what word? Yes, tough. 3, what word? Yes, sweater. 3, what word? Yes, learn. 5. Let's go back to number 4. Word 4. What word? Yes, learn. Word 5. What word? Yes, umbrella. Okay, let's go to column 2, the purple column. All these words have endings. Number 1. What word? Yes, closely. 2. What word? Yes, wobbled. 3. What word? Yes, easily. 4. What word? Yes, stretched. 5. What word? Yes, building. 6. What word? Yes, decided. Awesome. Let's go to column 3, the green column. Point to number 1. Your finger is on number 1, okay? So, number 1. What words? Get ready. Yes, catch your breath. When you catch your breath, you breathe very hard. Everybody, what are you doing when you breathe very hard? Get ready. Yes, catching your breath. Word 2. What word? Yes, hoist. When you hoist something, you pull hard and lift it up. Everybody, what are you doing to something when you pull hard and lift it up? Get ready. Yes, hoisting it. Word 3. What word? Yes, crumb. 4. What word? Yes, although. 5. What word? Yes, bedroom. 6. What word? Yes, traffic. Awesome. Let's go to column 4. Very important that you're tracking on column 4. Okay, let me put this. Your finger is on number 1. Word 1. What word? Yes, stale. Food that is stale is old and not very good to eat. Here's another way of saying the bread was old and not very good to eat. Listen, the bread was stale. Your turn. What's another way of saying the bread was old and not very good to eat? Get ready. Yes, the bread was stale. What's another way of saying the crumb was old and not very good to eat? Get ready. Yes, the crumb was stale. Word 2. What word? Yes, cabinet. 3. What word? Yes, piece. 4. What word? Yes, grain. 5. What word? Yes, squirrel. 6. What word? Yes, scary. Let's read those words again. Number 1. What word? Yes, stale. 2. What word? Yes, cabinet. 3. What word? Yes, piece. 4. What word? Yes, grain. 5. What word? Yes, squirrel. 6. What word? Yes, scary. Column 5, our last column. Your finger is under number 1. Word 1. What word? Yes, bathroom. 2. What word? Yes, cookie. 3. What word? Yes, beyond. 4. What word? Yes, strider. 5. What word? Yes, tube. 6. What word? Yes, do. Awesome. Let's go to part B. For part B, we are going to read this passage together at the same time. Okay? So, very important that you track and that you read loud and proud with me. Okay? All right. So, your finger is on the title. Everyone, point to the title. When I say get ready, we start together. Get ready. Sugar shines. Sugar shines. Let's point to the first word of the story. At my signal, we start. Get ready. The story you'll read today talks about how sugar shines. Stop right there. What will the story tell about? Get ready. Yes, how sugar shines. Keep reading. Get ready. A grain of sugar is much smaller than an ant. It is no bigger than a grain of sand. Stop right there. How big is a grain of sugar? Get ready. Right. Smaller than an ant, no bigger than a grain of sand. Turn the page. We're at the top of the next page. All right, get ready. The picture shows what a grain of sugar would look like if it were big. Stop right there. Everybody touch the picture. Get ready. You're touching the picture. It looks like a big piece of glass, doesn't it? Put your finger back to the last sentence we left off on, and let's go to the next sentence. Get ready. The grain in the picture has sharp corners. Each side is very smooth. The sugar looks like glass, and the sugar shines like glass. Right? Stop right there. If you look at a pile of sugar in a bright light, you will see that it sparkles and shines. Why does it shine? Get ready. Yes, because it's like glass. Okay, we're going to move on to part C. It's story time. We're going to continue reading the story about Nancy. How are we going to do this? First, you by yourself. Then, I read to you and ask you questions, okay? So, everybody, click pause and read the story to yourself. When you are finished, come back, click play, and it's my turn to read it to you. Go. Okay, now that you're back, that means that you read it already once, so you already know what the story is about. But now I'm going to ask you questions, okay? Point to the title and track as I read. Nancy finds something to eat. Okay. Nancy was shouting and waving her arms, but her mother and the police officer didn't see her as they walked from the room. Stop right there. Why didn't they see her? Get ready. Yes, because she was so small. Why couldn't they hear her voice? Get ready. Right, because her voice was a tiny squeak. The first thing that Nancy learned about being very small has to do with the sound of your voice. What happens to your voice when you get smaller? Get ready. Yes, it gets higher. All right, keep tracking as I read. Although Nancy ran as fast as her tiny legs could move, she couldn't keep up with them. By the time she reached the doorway to her bedroom, she was tired. For her mother and the police officer, the walk to the doorway took only a few steps. But for Nancy, it was a long, long run. Stop right there. How far was it? For her mother and the police officer. Get ready? Right, only a few steps. How far was it for Nancy? Get ready? Yes, a long, long run. And why was it so much farther for Nancy? Get ready? Yes, she had such tiny legs. Keep tracking? Nancy decided not to follow her mother beyond the bedroom door. Nancy didn't want to get lost. Stop right there. Why would she get lost in her own house? Get ready? Right, because her house was so big for her. Keep tracking. So she stood there trying to catch her breath. Then she walked slowly back toward her dollhouse. On the way, she looked at all the bits and pieces of things that were stuck in the carpet. Between those giant ropes of, we're at the top of the next page, blue and green were giant pieces of dirt and giant crumbs. Stop right there. What are the giant ropes of blue and green? Think big. What do you think they are? Get ready. Yes, they are the rug. The rug, the carpet. Everybody, are they really giant ropes? Get ready. No, they're not. Why are they called giant ropes? Get ready. Yes, they are called giant ropes because compared to Nancy, they are giant. Keep tracking. One crumb was the size of a bucket next to Nancy. Stop right there. Show me how big that crumb looked to Nancy. Get ready? Yeah, probably like this big to her. It was huge to Nancy, right? That crumb. Keep tracking. It was a cookie crumb. I wonder how long it's been here, Nancy said to herself. I wonder if it's stale. Stop right there. Would it taste good if it's stale? Get ready. No, it wouldn't. Would it taste good to Nancy if it's not stale? Get ready. Yes, it will. Remember, the word stale means old food. Keep tracking. She felt silly for the thought that was going through her head. She was thinking, if that cookie crumb is any good, I'll eat the whole thing. It will be like eating the world's biggest cookie. So she bent over and sniffed the cookie crumb. Stop right there. Why did she do that? Why would she sniff it? Get ready? Right, to find out if it was stale. Keep tracking. Then she tapped it with her fist. Then she broke off a little piece. That piece sparkled with a shiny sugar. Stop right there. I want everybody to look at the picture and touch the giant ropes. Get ready? Right below. Look at the giant ropes right there. What are those ropes? Get ready? Yes, the rug. Touch the cookie crumb that is as big as a bucket. Get ready? How big would that crumb look to you? Get ready? Right, super small. Why are parts of the cookie shiny? Why are they shiny? Get ready? Yes, because it has sugar in it. Let's go back to where we were, to where you were tracking and where I was reading. We are right here at the word slowly. Keep tracking. Slowly, she brought the piece of cookie to her mouth and took a tiny bite from it. Not bad, she said to herself. Stop right there. What did she mean by not bad? Get ready. Yes, she thought it tasted fine. Keep tracking. Not bad at all. She took a big bite and another. With 2 hands, she lifted up the whole crumb and began to eat it. She ate about half of it, and then she stopped. She wasn't hungry anymore. Turn the page. Keep tracking. Get ready. I need a glass of water, she said to herself. Stop right there. Everybody, did she feel hungry? Now, get ready. No, she didn't. How did she feel now? Get ready. Yes, thirsty. Everybody, show me how big a glass of water is. Get ready. Probably like that big. Could Nancy drink that much water? Get ready. No, she's too tiny. All right, keep tracking. She didn't really need a glass of water. She needed much less than a drop of water. Stop right there. How much water did she need? Get ready. Yes, a tiny amount, less than a drop. Everybody, could she drink a whole drop of water? Get ready. No, she couldn't. Keep tracking. But how do you get water when you're smaller than a fly? How do you get water if you can't reach something as high as a sink? Stop right there. Why does the story say a sink is high? Get ready. Right, because compared to Nancy's size, a bathroom sink would be high. That's why. Let's finish the story. Water, Nancy said to herself. I must find water. More next time. What do you think she'll do? How do you think she'll get water? What do you think she'll do? Think. We'll find out next time. So there are 17 questions from your textbook that you're going to be answering on a sheet of paper. Then you're going to do your workbook, lesson 28, front and back. Don't forget to send me a picture or post a picture for a daily grade for lesson 28. You all have been doing amazing, and enjoy your Friday, enjoy your weekend. Bye.